learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, it's time for Practical Hakka here on Icrt.
Hello， 好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Josephine. And every month we have a Q&A session that we want to teach you over and over again. And this month it's about, is someone there? And the answer could be yes or no. 我们这个月呢，又要来一个问答的这个形式要来教大家。那就是可能某某人在不在啦？那答案可能是在跟不在嘛，或有没有啊，这样子。Okay, so how do you say is someone there? 有在吗？
有在吗？
有在吗？ And then the answer could be yes. 有也就是在的意思。
对。
Or no.
某
就是不在的意思嘛。Okay, let's put ourselves in a company again. Okay, 我们今天来一个在公司可能会发生的一个问答的状况。那可能就要说 is the manager there, right? 经理有在吗？
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 那经理海陆腔叫经理。
敬礼的经理敬礼 That sounds like a salute, but it's a different dialect for saying manager. Okay, 敬礼有在吗All right, then the answer could be 不在怎么了 No, he's not here or she's not here. What's up?
冇在用辦希望
冇在用辦希望 Okay, 冇在 that means not here. 用辦希望
就是
怎么了
怎么了
What's wrong? 有什么事吗的意思 right? That means what do you want?Okay, maybe because I want a stamp from the manager or a signature. 要盖章或签名。
爱占因呢？
哦，爱占因呢？爱就是要嘛，占因呢？
盖下去了。
因呢？哈，就是因啊，就是 ins. That's a stamp. Or nowadays, more and more people are doing signatures. 要签名。
爱签名。
签名。And since the manager is not in, you might ask, when is he or she coming back? 可能会问何时回来啊？什么时候回来啊？对不对？
哪一久会转来？
哪一久会转来？哪一久就是多久，是不是？何时？
会转来？
会转来
就是会回来。
会转来 is when are you coming back? 哪一久 that means when. All right. Let's review this Q&A session right here. Is the manager there? 经理有在吗？
经理有在吗？
经理有在吗？Okay, that means manager, are you there? 而且你刚刚讲的好有礼貌的感觉哦。那可能就是不在，那怎么了？
冇在用辦希望。
冇在用辦希望。All right, it's all about 有在嗎？
有在嗎？
有在嗎 and either yes
有
or no
冇。
There you go. It's all about practical Hakka here on Icrt.
什麼大家？
漢字寫張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.